Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're dealing with the frustrating 84C error code on your Samsung refrigerator, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into what this error means, why it happens, and how to fix it step by step. This guide is tailored for 2025 models, so let's get straight to it and get your fridge back up and running. First off, what exactly is the 84C error code? In Samsung refrigerators, this code typically indicates an issue with the defrost system or a sensor malfunction. It means your fridge isn't defrosting properly, which can lead to frost buildup, inefficient cooling, or even food spoilage. Don't panic though. This is a common problem and often fixable at home. Now, let's talk about the causes. The most frequent culprits include a faulty defrost heater, a defective thermostat, or a clogged defrost drain. Sometimes, it's as simple as a dirty condenser coil or an electrical issue, like a loose wire in the control board. Environmental factors, such as high humidity or improper ventilation around your fridge, can also trigger this error. Identifying the root cause is key to a lasting fix. Moving on to solutions, start with the basics. Unplug your refrigerator for about 5 minutes to reset the system. This works wonders for minor glitches. If that doesn't do it, check and clean the defrost drain at the back of your fridge to ensure it's not blocked. Next, inspect the condenser coils. Dust them off with a vacuum or brush if they're dirty. For more advanced troubleshooting, you might need to test the defrost heater and thermostat with a multimeter. If you're not comfortable with that, consider calling a professional. Samsung's latest 2025 models have diagnostic apps. Download the SmartThings app to run a self-test and get specific error details. Remember, safety first. Always unplug the appliance before any internal checks. Once fixed, keep your fridge in a well-ventilated area and perform regular maintenance to prevent future issues. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more home appliance tips. See you next time.